Hey everyone, welcome back to WebBuddy. Today we have something exciting to dive into, the Apple Vision Pro. Now, I know unboxing is fun, but let's skip that and jump straight into the features and performance of this cutting-edge device. So, what exactly is the Apple Vision Pro? It's Apple's latest addition to their lineup, designed to revolutionize the way we experience visual content. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech reviews like this one. I know the video has been coming up for a long time, so sorry for that, but I was working on a project, that's why I didn't get time to make a video. Design and build. Starting with the design, Apple has once again set the bar high. The Vision Pro boasts a sleek and minimalistic look, with premium materials that not only feel great in hand but also scream quality. The attention to detail is impeccable, and the device seamlessly integrates into your existing Apple ecosystem. Display technology. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the display. The Apple Vision Pro features state-of-the-art display technology that promises vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, the clarity and detail are truly remarkable. The Apple Vision Pro uses the Apple M2 system on a chip. The M2 chip has an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, and 16 GB of unified memory. It also has a co-processor called Apple R1, which is used to process sensor input in real time. The R1 is designed to eliminate lag and stream images to the headset's display 8 times faster than a blink of an eye. The Vision Pro's dual-chip design allows for spatial experiences. The M2 chip runs Vision OS, executes computer vision algorithms, and provides graphics. The Vision Pro also has 23 sensors, including a dozen cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 MICs. All of the sensors feed into the R1. Now, let's touch on the camera system. Apple has equipped the Vision Pro with an advanced camera setup that enhances your photography and videography experience. The intelligent camera features, combined with powerful image processing, deliver stunning results. We'll showcase some sample shots later in the video, so stick around for that. Software and features. Moving on to software, the Vision Pro runs on the latest version of Apple's operating system. This ensures not only a smooth user experience but also access to the latest features and updates. Apple's commitment to privacy and security is evident in the robust software architecture. Connectivity and battery life. Connectivity is seamless with a range of options, and the battery life is impressive, keeping you powered throughout the day. Whether you are a professional on the go or a content creator looking for a reliable device, the Vision Pro has you covered. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro is a powerhouse device that delivers on both style and substance. While the unboxing experience might be missed in this video, the real magic lies in the device itself. If you are considering an upgrade or looking for a new addition to your tech arsenal, the Vision Pro is worth considering. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive into the Apple Vision Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tech goodness.